Hi everyone, it's Irena and today we're making ratatouille. And I went to the market the other day and there was such a beautiful assortment of vegetables that I couldn't resist to buy it. So here it is, my ratatouille. And these are the ingredients that I'm putting into mine, but of course you can put whatever you like in yours. So mostly a ratatouille is based, for me, on aubergines. So when I see beautiful aubergines in the veggie aisle, I love to always buy them. So anyway, aubergines, or otherwise called eggplants, carrots, zucchinis, mushrooms, beans, there's capsicums, and I use leek instead of onion. Because if you use leek, you don't have to pre-fry it, and it's my little cheats way of doing things quickly. And also, I like the taste of leek better than onion anyway, so that works for me. So, all diced up and into my Cook Expert. Now, you can use tin tomatoes, but I was given these beautiful juicy tomatoes by a friend of mine. So I put in 2 nice big tomatoes into here. Otherwise, you would put 1 tin of tomatoes in here as well. So I also put a nice big tablespoon of tomato paste, and that gives it richness. Some salt and pepper, some nice freshly cracked pepper, lots of olive oil. So I put lot of olive oil at the bottom, throw all my veggies in here, okay, and then I put it on. This is my little way of doing it, okay. I put it on to stir fry first for 7 minutes. Now, it's not going to cook it all up. It's not going to stir it through too much because I always make a big batch of this. It was veggies right to the top. And that just helps the cooking process start. And you'll see that, you know, the veggies drop a little bit and they start to move. So after that 7 minutes in the stir fry mode, I put it on to simmer. And so the simmer will simmer it for 30 minutes on 1A, which is the occasional stir, and that's all you want, and at 95 degrees. So you can gauge yourself how it's cooking. That usually is quite sufficient. You do not want to overcook ratatouille because it continues to cook after you actually finish it. You want the vegetables to still be a little bit crunchy, and the Cook Expert, it keeps everything very hot anyway, and so it will continue to cook slightly after you finish cooking. So basically that's all there is to it. Now in there also, yes, I use dill, and I use great bunches of herbs. I never use a little bit, so a good bunch of dill in there chopped up, and my little tip is the garlic. Now I never cook garlic. I actually, or fry it, I put it in afterwards. It's just a family little trick we have, so it's our family secret. You chop up your garlic after everything is finished cooking. You turn it all off, then you put your garlic in there, and I always use loads of garlic. And so what happens is it doesn't fry away or cook away. It actually fuses those lovely fresh garlic flavours in through your dish. So that's what I've done here as well. I've put quite a bit of garlic in here as well. So then this is the end result. Look at that. How beautiful is my ratatouille. It's so delicious, and of course it's full of nutrition, but it's just delicious, and I like to eat it hot or cold. So there it is. You can see all of the vegetables. Some of them have actually cooked away, and I've wanted that to happen when I first stir-fried it. But then afterwards, all the rest are in nice big chunks, and it's really quite delicious. Let me have a go. Oh, that's good. This is it's delicious. Lovely flavours. Now, I like to eat it cold as well as hot. So after we've had our meals, the next day I can just eat some ratatouille cold for lunch. I just love it. Or on toast. It's beautiful on toast. So anyway, there's lots of ways. I'd like you to give it a go. And why don't you post your photographs of your ratatouille? Okay, see you later. Bye.